If you wanted the absolute best AI coding tools, you had to pay a monthly fee and send your private code to cloud servers. It felt like we were trapped in a box. But recently, everything changed when Claude Code opened up to local models. OpenAI's Codex, arguably the best AI coding agent on the market right now, just officially integrated with Ollama. So, what does that actually mean for you? It means you can now take incredibly powerful, free open source AI models like Gemma 4 and run them directly inside the Codex app using your own computer's power. No subscriptions, no data privacy worries, and absolutely zero cost. For those who don't know, Codex App is a desktop application from OpenAI for macOS and Windows. Not an IDE plugin, not code auto-completion. It's a standalone agent that receives a task, writes a plan, executes steps, runs code, and returns the result. So what exactly is Ollama? Think of it as a super friendly, lightweight engine that sits on your computer and lets you run AI models locally. Now what happens when you plug Ollama directly into the Codex app? With this combo, you can run top-tier open source models like DeepSeek v4, Gemma 4, or Qwen 3.6 directly inside Codex. You get a high-end visual development environment that keeps your code completely private, localized, and 100% free. Alright, so how do we actually get this whole thing set up? First things first, you're gonna want to head over to the official website and download the Codex app. As of right now, the app is only available for Windows and macOS users. But anyway, if you're on a Mac or a PC, the download is completely free. Just click download to get installer file. Once you downloaded installer, just run the installer and it'll take the download file around 500 megabytes. Then go to ollama.com. You basically have two quick options depending on how you like to work. If you love using the terminal, you can literally just copy the quick install command right there and run it directly in your PowerShell. But if you prefer a classic desktop app setup, you can just click to download the dedicated installer for Windows. It's only around 200 megabytes. Now you've got Ollama all set up and running in the background. The next big question is, what model can your actual computer handle? You don't want to download a massive model only to have your machine completely freeze up on you. To figure out, go to a super handy website called canirun.ai. It's honestly a lifesaver. Once you're there, you just type in or select your specific hardware like your GPU. For example, my case is NVIDIA 3070 Ti with 8 GB of VRAM. As soon as you put those specs in, the site instantly checks everything and gives you a neat list of all the local AI models that will actually perform well on your computer. Let's say, I just want to check if Gemma 4 is going to perform well with my hardware, right? We can just search for it. And yeah, you can see right here, it lists down Gemma 4 and all its different variants. This one here, the Gemma 4 E4B, it's only about 9.6 gigabytes. And honestly, the performance score is pretty damn good. So what we can do is just go to the main Ollama page, navigate over to the models menu. You will list models or search for a specific model like Gemma 4. Go to the detail page. Then you just have to copy this specific command and paste it right back into your CMD. But just make sure Ollama is already running in the background first. Don't actually hit enter to run it just yet. I have something to tell you more. If you scroll down, in case you want to install different variants, just copy its name and replace Gemma 4 in CMD. Anyway, if you don't specify the exact variant tag, yeah, it's just gonna default to pulling the Gemma 4 E4B model automatically. And one more thing, you definitely want to make sure you have the latest update for Ollama installed. Then make sure Ollama is running in the background. Otherwise, you know, the command just won't work. But once you've done that, we can directly use it inside Codex. Now, if we head over to Ollama, start a new chat, and check the models dropdown. Yeah, you'll see the model is fully available. And since Gemma 4 is already downloaded, it won't show that little download icon next to it anymore, meaning we are totally good to go. And the best part is I can directly interact with it right here on my computer locally. And yeah, you'll see it respond instantly without even needing an internet connection. But honestly, the real purpose of this video isn't just about running Ollama with Gemma 4. I actually already made a whole video covering that. So I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in checking it out. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and connect Ollama to Codex App. If we jump over to the documentation and scroll down a bit, right here in this section, you'll see the command we need. Let's just copy it, then open up a new CMD window and simply right-click to paste it in. Now, if you happen to see an error like this pop up, don't panic. First, you just need to check your Ollama version. See that my version here is 0.23.2, but this integration actually requires version 0.24 or above, which is why you have to update Ollama like I mentioned earlier. But yeah, once your version is updated, we can finally run that command. It's going to list down a bunch of models that usually require their cloud service subscription. But look right here, you can see the local model we just installed, which is Gemma 4 E4B. So just use your arrow keys to select it and hit enter. Then the Codex app will officially activate. Since this is the very first launch, just click on who you are and hit the continue button. Next, it's going to ask if you want to import your work from other AI apps you might already use it. You can totally skip this or choose to import. If you do import, it'll just let you pick which items you want to bring over, and then you just click continue. We now have the Codex app fully loaded with the Gemma 4 model, running entirely through Ollama, absolutely free and 100% locally on our own machine. It's crazy because you can essentially use almost all the premium capabilities of Codex locally with open source models now. So yeah, let's go ahead and give it an instruction to build a clean landing page from scratch, and let's see what it actually creates for us. Now, while it's in thinking mode, if we take a quick look at the system resources behind the scenes, you can see my NVIDIA 3070 Ti is surging almost to full capacity, and the RAM is climbing right up there too. It's really putting the hardware to work. But after just a couple of minutes, it finished generating everything. I'm gonna copy the code and saved it as an HTML file. And yeah, just look at this. Here is the final result. And yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how you can completely unlock the power of local AI coding, that using Ollama right inside the Codex app, all entirely for free. If you found this video helpful, or if you managed to get it working on your machine, please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Cambo tutorial. It honestly helps me keep bringing you more free tutorials just like this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.